Oh, do I have a story for you? What do we have here?
Here it is. It's like Christmas. Look what FedEx has brought. How about it?
Hello, Cycledrag Universe. How you doing? You know what I say. If it has two wheels, we love it. So here we have what we're going to call an electric motorcycle. You could call it that, right? Well, it's actually an e-bike because it has pedals. Good news is we don't have to get it plated. We don't have to get it tagged. And big question is, why do I have this? Well, there's this company, Cyrusher. They watch Cycledrag, and they've been reaching out to me for the past few months, and they would like me to do a review. So thank you, guys. I've never had an e-bike before. I've had bicycles, I've had motorcycles, but I'm curious to see what this is all about. So let's unbox this thing and get started. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, it's good to have friends because joining me on this project, Raul from 4K Cycles. You might recognize that bad boy from some of our Cycledrag videos. Raul, you got a bad motorcycle, but are you ready for an e-bike?
Man, let's give it a try.
Let's give it a try. Oh, look at this. Check this out right here. Do we have a display? But I gotta say too, packaged very well. We did a review, you may remember, with Larry McBride on the Amazon Hawk, and it looked like the shipping container took a big hit. I gotta say, these guys, with this foam right here, it's good protection, and that's what you need. When they're coming from a long way, you don't want to be damaged before you even get it. So, thumbs up on the packing. Oh, here's something I really like, guys. Again, the protection. Look at the protection on the swing arm here. I like it. Plastic wrapped. Good job, Cyrusher.
Yeah,
Even give you batteries for the tail light. How about that?
Well, they got $3.
Whoa! I will say that battery is heavy. Man, if we just go straight pedaling on this thing, it's going to be more of a workout than we bargained for. And I always felt, from an athletic standpoint, I felt like e-bikes were cheating. I had a debate with my friend. He says, no, research says you end up burning the same amount of calories, you just go farther. I'm up for that. I'm up for having fun too. I have a hard time believing it will be as good of a workout as a regular bike, but if you're pedaling this around, this isn't one of these feather light mountain bikes. This is a serious load. I'm impressed. Ooh, this baby's got some weight to it. Let's read the directions and get to work with little assembly. All right, so we just have some minor assembly here. There were not instructions included. They're probably online. We're going to check that out, but it looks just like minor adjustments we need to make. We need to put on the front wheel. We need to mount the handlebars. We need to mount the seats, and then we'll go over everything and check for tightness, but I don't believe it's going to be too hard. A little bit of lubrication here on the front fork. I feel like I'm checking out a dirt bike. We seem to be missing something. Oh, it's hiding. Our fault. Our fault. I knew there was something hiding in there.
That's called in Spanish la caleta.
What's that mean?
La caleta is where Pablo used to hide all his money.
Oh, there we go. Good. Probably the instructions we were looking for. Ta-da!
Oh,
Ta-da! How about it? We got all kind of goodies. Tolls, owner's manual. So you know what, Cyrusher? I got to give you another star. We are sorry for jumping to conclusions. It was just hiding in that box. That was our fault. That one's on us. This is great, though. It's great to have all this stuff. A lot of companies, when you order things online, they will direct you to their website to download instructions, but that's pretty cool. We got it right here. Pretty cool, guys. We got instructions. Man, so look at what comes in the box. I am impressed, guys. Very nice. Oh, check this out. Love this. Detailed instructions. We got battery installation, pedals instructions. And then the battery and the battery charger. Gotta believe that is one of the most expensive items. Again, we believe this motorcycle was about $2,700 is what it retails for. You dropped the batteries. There we go. Oh my gosh, man. What in the world? Is this the trick? Is this the trick they're playing on us? Okay. Oh, you're fired. You're fired.
Let's fix it.
Batteries, yeah. It's pretty cool that it comes with even the batteries. Oh, the cheese fumble. Come on now. Come on. There we go. All right, we got the tail light on. Always good to have those. You know, I remember when I was in college, you could actually get a ticket
Still do.
for not having your tail light on your bicycle. All right, we're gonna give you a little tape. Is that better? There we go. Told you not to eat ribs before we did this.
Come on, man.
Wings, what'd you got? Wings, ribs?
Ribs.
Ah, I knew it. He was eating ribs right before. Yeah, there we go. That'll keep us from getting a ticket from Campus PD, right? Adjustable suspension. So Raul, I told you we got to keep this thing stock right now. I don't know if you probably want to put a swing arm that looks like this on this bike. That's pretty cool. The pedals are marked too, so you can't get them mixed up. We got right and left.
And he's watertight too.
USB charger on here. Wow, this is a far cry from the primitive bicycle. This is a long way from my Huffy I had in 7th grade.
All right.
It's kind of cool. You get to lock the battery, unlock. So we got it unlocked now. Wow, that's easy. And just like that. That was nice and easy. Snaps right in there. Worried for a second. I thought, oh no, it's scratched up. No, it's got the protective.
Right.
And again, these little touches right here make a big difference. When you get a new bike, you want a new bike. All right, there it is. Oh, look at that display. That is so cool. I'm back here. Bafang. Never heard of Bafang hub. I heard of Kenda. Nice Kenda tires. Make sure everything's tight, of course. That's what we're going to do before we ride it, but everything's...
That's the horn.
That's the horn. Do you hear that? Joking aside, that's important. When you're on a bicycle,
Yeah.
you want every noise you could possibly activate to let somebody know you're coming. Some people complain about left side drive bikes, which are super weird for anybody who's ever ridden a motorcycle. So if you want the throttle on the right hand side, here we go, guys. The first time I ever hit a throttle on a bicycle. That is so cool. I like it. That is so cool.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah, cool.
5 speeds. All the way to 27. And that's 5th gear. So I think she probably runs a solid 30 miles an hour.
Fast enough to have
Oh, that's
fun.
pretty.
Raul, thanks for the help. What do you think?
Man, I think it's a pretty awesome bike. You know, obviously the orange is our color.
Yeah, I knew
you
that
know,
was going to tug at your
I think
heartstrings.
it's gonna be a great bike, off-roading and stuff, on the beach and stuff. You got a pretty wide tire, so that's pretty good for the sand. And man, it looks like an awesome built bike, strong.
I'm impressed so far. I really am. Like I said, compared to the motorcycle review that we did on Amazon, really like the packaging. Components look like they're more on the high-end side. I'm excited to see what this thing can do. I gotta admit, one thing I am a little concerned about, like I said, the weight. Oh, that's heavy. That's heavy, but when you pedal it, like I said, it gives you the option of getting a great workout. We've got a kickstand down here, pretty cool. Whew, it is. It's definitely got some weight to it, though. I will say that. It's got some weight to it. All right, almost time for the first ride. We're gonna throw a little charge on the battery here, make sure everything is tight. It's great that they give you these tools. Steering neck was just a touch loose. We'll get that all tightened up, ready to go. Tire pressure real quick. Okay, we're ready to rock. All right, we got the tires properly inflated. Good to just give everything a check. You know what I mean? Everything a check. How about that? Decent brakes. All right, the moment of truth, okay? So we rode it as a regular bicycle. Now we have turned the power on. So I'm gonna see what pedal assist mode is all about. Here we go. Wish me luck. Oh, that's so easy. Oh, man. That is so cool. So, wow. I mean, it makes it a lot more enjoyable. Might not be the best workout in the world, but you can keep it off, get your workout in, and then go far with it in this mode. Makes it so easy. Watch this. This is crazy. One pedal. Here we go. These tires are massive. They can go anywhere. And I know some of you took umbrage in the comments saying, why are you calling it a motorcycle, Jack? It's not a motorcycle, it's a bicycle. Okay, I get you. Pedals. Well, what is it now? What is it now, guys? Where's the pedals? What is it? You tell me. I think it's both. Barely pedaling. Wow. Man, this is so awesome. I'll tell you. Like I said, it just makes it so comfortable. Wow. It's a lot of fun. I can't imagine how far we can go on one of these things. Might be able to ride to Pennsylvania and back from here in Florida. It's amazing how far you can go on it. The fact that you don't need to plate this thing, you don't need registration for this thing, it's amazing. I mean, I think about when I was a kid, we used to ride 30, 40 miles to go to different dirt bike shops and whatnot, and that was without electric assist. With this, we're able to go really, really far. This is cool though, I love it. So awesome. And when I need a break,
First time on the Crusher.
here we go. First time, newbie. You got to feel this sensation.
I'm gonna pedal it first. Woo! Oh boy, we're off. There we go. Oh, whoa!
I love getting the first reaction because it surprises you. You're expecting a bicycle, big, heavy bicycle. Oh my gosh, I used to have the 1970s Schwinn. You used to have to pedal up a freaking side of a mountain. Sometimes when you were a kid, you would have to do the walk of shame, you know, when you couldn't pedal anymore, get off the thing. Not this one.
Wow, this thing is fast. Holy smokes! I'm on one.
Crusher, you did a great job with this bike. Clearly your engineers are on point, so it doesn't need any modifications, but I think it just needs one special modification. Follow me on this one. I think we just need one little modification. There we go. That's, now it's ready.
21 miles per hour sustained with no effort. Listen, wait a minute. I'm not out of breath.
Is that fun or what? Oh my gosh, guys, I love it. Well, I got good news for you. I got a link to save you money in the description. Check it out, follow it. You too can have a blast. The world sure is changing. Let me know what you think about e-bikes, e-bicycles, e-motorcycles, whatever we're gonna call them. Ranger is awesome. Would make a great pit bike at the drag strip as well. Thanks so much for watching, guys. You know, if there's anything fast, motorcycles or e-bikes, we're in. Cycledrag rolls on.